Yo! Wow, I forgot the light. Yo! 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 What is up, guys? Nick Nakai here. Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. So, as you guys can tell, this is not the usual set I usually film on in front of the toolbox like you guys are so familiar, but if you haven't been following with the channel, I'll just fill you in with a quick update. So, you guys know I was a tech at BMW for about a year. I recently quit that about a month ago and started at a Toyota dealership. Not the same Toyota dealership I was at, another one. And on top of that, I also moved out of my parents' garage where I would always film at and work on the cars for you guys. So that's why we're sitting here in this nice little apartment I got with my girlfriend. So that's a quick little update for you guys. Been out of the nest for at least like a month now. So it's been pretty cool. I've been cooking a lot more. It's really close to the new Toyota I'm at, so it's just, so far it's been pretty good. So today's episode is kind of just going to be like a little update and fill you guys in on the channel and my life pretty much, since I don't really have any working on car content I can bring you guys. So I figure I'll just give you guys a little update video and just sit down and talk to you guys. I know a lot of people are asking where I moved to, what Toyota dealership I went to. I haven't said exactly where I'm at yet because I don't want to like kind of burn the spot just in case later down the road I do day in the life at Toyota. I don't want everyone to know exactly what Toyota I'm at, but as of right now there's not going to be any day in the life at Toyota. Just grinding, trying to make hours there. So one thing I wanted to point out, a lot of people had my back when I said I was going to Toyota. They're like, fuck yeah, like welcome back, like you're gonna do good over there. And a lot of people on one of the videos I said leaving BMW, they were like, you're making a huge mistake, like you're throwing your career in the trash. Like one guy literally said that, and I was like, bro, like first off, what are you talking about? And second of all, I think one thing people overlook, like they think, like I used to think this too, like, oh, you work for BMW or you work for Lamborghini or you work for Porsche, like you're that much more successful like in your mechanic trade or your career. But it really doesn't matter where you work for, because it's, at the end of the day, it's not like you own the cars you're working for. Like, yeah, it's cool to work on nice high-end cars and fast cars and stuff like that, but they're not your cars. So really, what does it matter where you're working at? It kind of matters more how much money you're making. And that's why I left BMW to go back to Toyota, because at Toyota I just have so much of an easier time making hours and making a whole lot more hours than I was at BMW. So just wanted to kind of cover that. Don't think just because you're at like a fancy brand, you're gonna make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money at any dealership, I believe. It just depends on your specialty and what you're most comfortable with. So now I've been back with Toyota for like one pay period, so like 2 weeks, and already doing pretty good, back on hours, still getting like back in the groove, getting comfortable working on Toyotas, and like getting more familiar with all the recalls, the new ones that I missed out. But overall it's been really good, like really loving the new dealership I'm at. I have 3 bays, which is insane because I'm used to 1 bay. I've recently just had 2 bays when working at BMW, and now I have 3, so like it's like insane. Like I could pull a car in here, program it, I could do like a recall on this one, I could do services on this one. Like it's just so badass. Like the potential to make like the hours is like so much easier when you have more stalls, but it's also easier because now I know how to use those stalls. Because say you gave me these 3 stalls like back when I first jumped on the line, like I wouldn't even know what the hell to do with stalls. Like I would be killing stalls left and right. But now that I have a little bit more experience like multitasking on different cars, it's really working out nice. It's a really nice dealership. The people there are super cool. A lot of people are kind of already know me from YouTube, so I thought that was kind of funny. Like they're like, the guy from YouTube's coming here, so that was cool. But yeah, other than that, it's really nice. There's so much work there, it's crazy. Like I was kind of at the end of my BMW job when I was over there. It was really slow with COVID, since you guys all know it really killed a lot of business. But I was used to going into work and like putting my name on a list and like waiting like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and then getting an oil change. and doing the oil change and waiting again for whatever the hell came in. And now it's like complete day and night, because every day I've been in there, it's like I'm juggling like 3 to 4 repair orders with work that's coming in, and there's still more work coming in. So it's just like boom, 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 boom. Like it's hustle city. So it's just really badass, because I really like to like push myself and just get shit done. And working hard these past couple weeks, I've just been feeling really satisfied. Like I go home and I'm just like, damn, like I kicked ass today because I worked my ass off. And it's really like a fulfilling feeling. I'm sure a lot of you guys know what I'm talking about. When you work your ass off all day, you get home, you're exhausted, you're like, fuck yeah, like today was a good day. And that's really how it's been like every single day. So pretty thankful that I took this chance and hopped back into the old Toyota. Other than that, what's going on with the 240, I repainted it. So here is a picture before, what it looked like, and here is a picture of how it looks now. It does suck though, living up in the apartment, because I can't work on the car like when I get off work like I'm used to. So now it's like, if I want to work on the 240, I gotta travel back down to my mom's house because I'm still storing it over there. So that is one downside about the apartment life, but hopefully things go to plan and we get like a house soon, so I can have my car up there and start building my little dream garage. So we'll see what happens, but I feel like that's pretty much it. So like I said, it was just a quick little video to give you guys kind of an update on how things are going. I don't have any content of me working on cars for you guys right now, but still wanted to put something out for you guys. So now would be a good time, if you guys have any video suggestions, to drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of things you would like me to talk about here for you guys, because I know I have some knowledge that a lot of you guys are interested in. I have been thinking about, I get a lot of DMs, people saying, hey dude, I just started at this Toyota dealership as a loop tech, like any tips to move up to a line technician? And I don't know if that's like a good video you guys want me to cover or not, but I've gotten like 5 or 6 messages, people ask me the same question, and I feel like maybe it would just be a good video, kind of explain some tips or pointers or the process, stuff like that. So let me know if you guys have video suggestions. I'm all ears. I read all the comments every time, good and bad. Drop a heart for you guys, just to let you guys know that I saw it. And yeah, so just want to say thank you guys for supporting the channel and your continued support. We're at like 15.5K subscribers right now, on the road to 20K, and that is just crazy. I never thought my YouTube channel would get this big, and it's all thanks to you guys sharing it, telling your friends about it, stuff like that. Really appreciate it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry there was no cars involved, but we got some more content coming soon, so catch you guys later. Peace!